Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss about few applications of average speed. In previous motion in a straight line part 2, I have given what is the average speed in terms of distance and time, in terms of speed and time, and in terms of speed and distance also I have given. Now we are going to discuss about few applications of average speed. See, if the body covers half of the distance with V1 speed, remaining half of the distance with V2 speed. How to find out the average speed in this case? Here V average equals to, you know the formula, S1 plus S2 by T1 plus T2. Instead of S1 we are taking S by 2. Instead of S2 we are taking S by 2 because the body covers half of the distance with V1 speed and remaining half of the distance with V2 speed. But instead of T1, time equals to distance by speed. S by 2 V1 plus S by 2 V2. If you are having any confusion, you should remember that T1 equals to S by 2 distance by speed. It should be right, S by 2 V1, and T2 equals to S by 2 divided by V2, S by 2 V2. Then V average equals to, what is the common in this? S by 2, 1 plus 1 divided by S by 2, 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2. This one cancel. Average speed equals to 2 by, here LCM is V1, V2. This is V1 plus V2. Finally, we are getting the expression 2V1 V2 by V1 plus V2. So, what is the use of this one? Suppose the problem is if the body covers half of the distance with V1 speed and half of the distance with V2 speed, directly we can go through the 2V1 V2 by V1 plus V2. Now, we should discuss one more problem based on this. Same application. If the body covers half of the distance 4 kmph and remaining half of the distance 8 kmph, then how to find out the average speed in this case? 2 into, instead of V1 we should take 4, instead of V2 we should take 8 by 8 plus 4, 12. 16 by 3 kmph. 16 by 3 kmph. Like that we should go for, suppose the body covers half of the time it is going with V1 speed and remaining half of the time with V2 speed. In this case, what is the formula for average speed? Look here, we are not taking half of the distance, we are taking the body covers half of the time with V1 speed, remaining half of the time with V2 speed. In this case, what is the average speed formula? We don't know about the S1. S1 equals to speed into time, V1 into T by 2, and S2 equals to V2 into T by 2. So instead of S1 we should write it V1 T by 2 plus V2 T by 2. Total time is T1 plus T2, T by 2 plus T by 2. After simplification, T by 2 is the common, V1 plus V2 in denominator, T by 2 is common, here 1 plus 1. This one cancel. Finally, average speed equals to V1 plus V2 by 2. So, don't confuse here. First, we are going to discuss about half of the distance it covers with V1 speed, but it is the half of the time with V1 speed. The difference is here half distance and here half time. Here formula is V average equals to 2V1 V2 by V1 plus V2. But in this case, average speed equals to V1 plus V2 by 2. Now we are going to discuss few more problems. Look, now the body covers half of the time with 4 kmph and remaining half of the time 2 kmph. In this case, how to find out the average speed? V average equals to V1 plus V2 by 2. So 6 by 2, 3 kmph. I think you got the difference for the average speed formula when the body covers half of the distance and half of the time. One more application we are going to discuss. Look here. If the body covers 1/3 of the distance with V1 speed, second third of the distance with V2 speed, and last third of the distance with V3 speed. In this case, how to find out the average speed? V average equals to, instead of S1, S by 3, instead of S2, S by 3, instead of S3, S by 3. Because average speed formula is total distance by total time. But here instead of T1 what we are writing? Distance by speed. S by 3 V1. T2 equals to S by 3 V2. And T3 equals to S by 3 V3. So average speed equals to, already I have written formula, but instead of T1, S by 3 V1 plus S by 3 V2 plus S by 3 V3. So average speed we should write here. S by 3 is the common. Within bracket 1 plus 1 plus 1 we are getting 3. In denominator also S by 3 is the common. 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2 plus 1 by V3. This one cancelled. After taking LCM, V1, V2, V3 is the LCM. Here we are getting V2, V3 plus V1, V3 plus V1, V2. So finally, if the body covers 1/3 of the distance, average speed we should get it 3 V1, V2, V3 by V1, V2 plus V2, V3 plus V3, V1. This is the average speed. If we want to do, we can take one example also. This is the 2 kmph and this is the 3 kmph and this is the 5 kmph. This is 1/3 distance. In this case, how to find out the average speed? V average equals to, no need of doing everything. Instead of that, we can use simple formula 3 into 2 into 3 into 5 by V1, V2. 2 into 3, 6. V2, V3, 15. Then V3, V1, 5 into 2, 2 plus 10. So like that we should find out the average speed. If you want to do, you can simplify this one also. So finally, today's concept is we discuss about applications of average speed in terms of half of the distance, 2 V1 V2 by V1 plus V2. In terms of half of the time, V1 plus V2 by 2. If the body covers 1/3 of the distance, the average speed formula is 3 V1 V2 V3 by V1 V2 plus V2 V3 plus V3 V1. So when we are using, we can save the time and we can solve the problems easily. Thank you everyone.